All right, so discussion on kinematics. One of the most important questions in kinematics is based on calculus. And we use both integral calculus and differential calculus in these questions. These questions come very often in IIT JEE exam and NEET exam and class 11th also. So you must have some idea of differential calculus of algebraic expressions. So you have been given the position time expression for a body moving with the help of this equation x is equal to 3 minus 2t square plus 3t cube. The first question is find the velocity as a function of time. So if you have x equal to an algebraic expression in time, you take, velocity is nothing but dx by dt. So you take derivative of this and you get velocity. This is part number one. You can see on the right hand side, the derivative of position time equation has been taken and dx by dt has been calculated.